Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environmental conditions because of option A, thick cuticle. Conifers have a thick cuticle on their leaves, which reduces water loss and provides protection against desiccation in extreme environmental conditions like cold, wind, or drought. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, presence of vessels. It is incorrect because conifers do not have true vessels in their xylem. Option C, broad hardy leaves. It is also incorrect because conifers have narrow needle-like leaves and not broad leaves. Option D, superficial stomata. It is also incorrect because conifers have sunken stomata and not superficial stomata.